Welcome to the best picks. The best jewelry kits is probably one of the most popular and engaging gifts for children aged 5 to 8, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, fine motor skill development, and self-expression. This video will dive into the top picks, helping you select the perfect kit that sparks joy and nurtures young talents, while ensuring safety and durability for worry-free crafting. Number 5. Charm Bracelet Making Kit. It has everything you need to create beautiful bracelets. Unleash your creativity and design unique accessories for yourself or as gifts. This kit includes a variety of charming themed charms and beads. Make every day different with your DIY bracelets. It's easy to use, no tools, glue, or mess. Just add beads and screw on the end cap. No need to search for extra supplies. Everything you need to make stunning charm bracelets is right here. It's an excellent gift for girls who love DIY projects. It's fun, encourages creativity, and improves fine motor skills. What we like? It has many charms and beads to create unique bracelets. If you are looking for a kit with lots of variety to make different bracelets every day, this is the one for you. It's perfect for imaginative kids who love to personalize their accessories. What people say. My grandkid loved all the items in the kit. There were many bracelets to be made. They are all very beautiful, and there were so many different colors. She got really creative with the beads and charms. All the bracelets fit well. I bought this as a craft activity for my granddaughters. The 5- and 7-year-old were able to do it with absolutely no instructions from me. The box was small, but there were so many very nice charms and beads that I thought it was excellent quality. The one granddaughter's necklace was almost too heavy for her neck. They loved the activity and no paint or glue mess. Our granddaughter loved these and was able to start making her own custom jewelry with these. Solid quality and lots of options. Number 4. COO&KOO Charm Bracelet Kit. It's more than just a toy, it's a chance to create and express themselves. Watch them design their own unique bracelets with this amazing kit. Looking for a present that sparks imagination? This kit is perfect for girls who love jewelry and crafting. It's a gift that keeps on giving. It's simple to use, no tools or glue needed. Just add charms, and they can create beautiful bracelets in minutes. Made with safe, durable materials, this kit is perfect for kids aged 6 to 12. Let them create stunning bracelets without worries. It comes beautifully packaged, ready for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a complete kit, everything they need is included. With a variety of charms, they can mix and match to create endless unique bracelet designs. It's a fantastic way to express their personality. What we like? This kit comes in a beautiful unicorn box and has charms that let your child create unique designs. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys expressing themselves creatively, this is an ideal choice. It's simple enough for younger crafters to use independently. Number 3. FUNZBO 520 Plus Snap Pop Beads. It's the perfect kit to keep your little ones engaged and entertained. They can create unique jewelry pieces, from bracelets to necklaces, fostering their creativity. It's so easy to use. Just snap the beads together, no extra tools needed. Your child can design their own wearable art. With 520 colorful beads, it encourages exploration and creativity. They'll love exploring different textures, shapes, and colors. It's great for strengthening little hands and fingers. The simple snap-together design is perfect for building hand-eye coordination. It comes in a convenient storage case with a handle, making it easy to store and transport. It's a perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. What we like? This kit boasts 520+ colorful snap beads for endless jewelry making fun. If you're looking for a kit that's both fun and educational, helping develop fine motor skills and creativity, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love bright colors and hands-on activities. What people say. The beads are bright, durable, and easy for little hands to connect and take apart. They inspire hours of imaginative play and are great for developing fine motor skills. Nice colors and easy for small hands to use. The beads are fun, vibrant colors, so they are very eye-catching. Love the fact that they come with headbands, bracelets, and rings for added fun. Number 2. Purple Ladybug Jewelry Box Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit has everything you need to design your own unique jewelry box. With a wooden box, colorful gem stickers, modeling clay, and tools, you'll be crafting in no time. It's a complete, mess-free project. Design your own masterpiece. It's the perfect way for young artists to express themselves and create something beautiful. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, it's suitable for ages 6 and up. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or a fun weekend activity. Once finished, it's a beautiful and useful jewelry box. Keep your favorite earrings, rings, and more safe and organized. It comes in beautiful packaging, making it a wonderful present for any occasion. It's also a great way to develop patience and fine motor skills. This jewelry box kit makes a fantastic birthday, holiday, or anytime gift for girls aged 6 to 12. Watch them beam with pride as they complete their creation. What we like? It lets you create a personalized jewelry box using clay and gem stickers. If you want a unique and functional craft project that results in a keepsake, this is perfect. It's ideal as a gift because it comes in beautiful packaging. What people say. The quality of the parts was good. It was very easy to assemble, not sticky. Good for kids at a young age. The box is well constructed, sturdy and beautiful. The kit comes with ample products to sufficiently decorate the box. We had plenty of clay and some stickers left over. The clay included pair so well together. The bling stickers are gorgeous and sparkly. It'd be impossible to have an ugly end result. Younger kids can glob on the clay and go. Older kids and adults can work with different techniques and really make it as intricate as you wish. Number 1. Clay Beads Jewelry Kit. This kit is perfect for making bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's a fun and easy way to express yourself. Simply thread the beads onto a string and create your own unique designs. No special skills are needed, just your imagination. All the beads are neatly organized in separate compartments for easy access and cleanup. It's easy to find exactly what you need. It's a great way to spend quality time with your kids, fostering creativity and improving their fine motor skills. It's also a perfect gift for friends and family. This kit provides hours of fun and creative expression. It's the perfect gift for kids who love arts and crafts. It's a fantastic way to keep children entertained and away from screens. Let them explore their creativity in a fun and engaging way. What we like? This kit includes colorful clay beads that are easy to string together to make various jewelry. If you're looking for a simple yet versatile kit for making bracelets, necklaces, or other accessories, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy crafting and making gifts for friends and family. What people say. This is a great gift for crafting. You can make bracelets, necklaces. The colors are all so pretty, great to make and give to friends for little gifts. They are a lot of fun to make. Well organized, good quality, lots of colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.